So whatever I'm disturbing here, oh, someone is going to kill us, they will just get into our net. You don't listen. So what after, you don't just lift it like this. You do like this, right? You just move it in front slowly and lift it up. If you do like this, some will just go back. So after what you do, you clean like this. You don't do like you just do like this, so that most of the dirt goes out. Someone with our bucket, water to rinse the net, so that whatever microinvertebrate that is hanging here goes into our bucket, right? So who is ready?